What's up, guys? It's your boy Super Sham. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you all the fidgets I have in my room. So I have this mochi. I have this mochi. One mochi. And I also have monkey noodles. And I also have this fidget thing. And then, guys, you can actually get these at Target. Any other fidget is cool, but... And, guys, I have something to tell you. So, guys, ready? $1. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Like and subscribe if you guys like this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe.